Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Echin Gourmet. Let's make Qatayef Assafiri, a delicious Arabic dessert. It is mainly enjoyed during the month of Ramadan. Let me show you how to make this amazing dessert. In a pan, add 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of semolina, and 1 tablespoon of rose water, and mix well. Cook until the mixture starts to boil. Once the mixture starts to boil, add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Whisk well until no lumps are remaining. When the mixture starts to thicken up, add 1 cup of fresh cream and mix well again. Cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. This cream mixture, we'll be using it for the stuffing. It's very easy to make, but if you want a shortcut, then you can buy ready-made Ashta Cream. This should be the consistency of the cream. Take it out in a bowl and let it cool down. Cover it with a cling wrap and then refrigerate. Next, for the pancake batter, in a blender add 3.5 cups of water, 2 cups of flour. You can use all-purpose flour or plain flour. Next, add in half cup of semolina, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast and baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now blend the mixture until everything is well combined. Once the batter is ready, pour it in a jug or bottle and then let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, brush some oil in a pan and then pour 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of the batter and then spread it in circular motions like so. Once the bubble starts appearing on top, pancakes are ready. Make sure not to overcook it. We only need to cook it from the bottom. Look at this, the pancakes got a lovely golden brown color. We'll now take it out in a plate. Now prepare all the pancakes with this similar method. Once all the pancakes are ready, it's time to add the cream filling and shape the Katayef. There are 2 methods to shape Katayef. Add a teaspoon of the cream filling. Now fold the edges, pinch and seal till the middle. That's one way of making it. Another method is to add a teaspoon of the cream filling in the middle, then fold and pinch the edges and shape them like half moon pies. Now prepare the rest of the Katayef following the steps as shown. Deep fry the half moon pies for 2 minutes on each side or until it gets all crispy, and then take it out. All the Katayef are ready. Now garnish with some pistachios. Pour warm sugar syrup on top and then serve. You can either use homemade sugar syrup or you can use a ready-made one. Dip all the Qatayef in pistachios, make it look pretty, and then enjoy with a warm cup of tea. These Qatayef looks absolutely stunning and it tastes amazing. Especially the half moon pie shaped Qatayef. They're crispy on the outside but so soft and creamy on the inside. If you want homemade sugar syrup recipe, then you can watch my another amazing Arabic dessert recipe called Zunud al-Sit and learn how to make sugar syrup. It's a very easy recipe. Look at this gorgeous Qatayef. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. It's so creamy and so soft. Adding the rose water really enhances the flavor. These turned out perfect. So make sure you do give this recipe a try. If you like this recipe, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking!